How to enable recurring crypto investments on Binance app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can enable recurring crypto investments, or basically auto investment, in your Binance app. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release a new video. Now let's jump right in. So to enable recurring crypto investments on Binance app, you will need to use the auto invest feature. To do that, locate your Binance app, tap on it, make sure you're logged in into your account, and after you do that, you will need to head over to the auto invest or earn tab. To do that, tap on the top left corner on the three lines. Then you'll find the earn option under shortcuts. After you're on the earn tab, you will find auto subscribe or auto invest option. So you can tap on the activate option there and tap on activate now to activate auto investments. Now, since it's not available in my region, I will briefly show you how you can do it. So after you activate it, you'll need to choose your investment details. So before that, select a coin. So you can select a coin that you want. After you do that, you'll find the auto subscribe option. Tap on that, tap and confirm. And after you do that, you can tap and confirm again there, and you will have enabled auto investment in that very coin. So after you select the coin, you will need to enter the amount that you want to invest. So there you can see the amount option. So you can select the amount that you want to invest per transaction. Select your desired recurring cycle as well after you've enabled auto subscribe. Then choose the time frame for the transaction as well. So after you review the plan details, you'll need to agree to the Binance investment agreement. Tap and confirm at the bottom. Then after you do that, you can choose which option you want to add the funds. And after you do that, after you view and manage all your active auto investment plans, you can then you're good to go. That's how you enable recurring crypto investments on Binance app. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.